Hello everybody, welcome to Veena's Beauty Tips. I am Veena. Today I'll show you how to do a ribbon braid. A very simple braid using some ribbons. You can take ribbon of your choice. So to begin with, I am going to take a long white ribbon and I'm going to start. So I'm going to take all the hair on my back here and like this. From the back in the front. So I brought my ribbon from the back side of my neck to the front side and I'm going to tie a knot down. Put the hair 1, 2 and 3. So if you notice, I have the ribbon along with my third braid at the center. So I'm just going to do a 3 braid along with my ribbon. Is complete. I am going to tie my ribbon and this is how it will look like. The close-up of my hairstyle video. So this is the ribbon I tied, and so this is a very quick and simple hairstyle that I've tried. So this is what I have used. A white ribbon is what I have used for my hairstyle. So go ahead and do give it a do check it out and let me know how it was. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Bye.